How do you calculate slopes for perpendicular lines? Imagine you're drawing two lines that cross each other at a perfect right angle. How do you figure out the steepness of the second line if you already know the first? That's what we're going to explore today. First, find the slope of the original line. If the line is written in the form of y equals m times x plus b, then the number in front of x is the slope. For example, if the equation is y equals 3x plus 2, the slope is 3. Next, to find the slope of a line that is perpendicular to this one, you need the negative reciprocal of the original slope. Flipping the fraction means swapping the numerator and denominator. Changing the sign means making it positive if it was negative, or negative if it was positive. For example, if the original slope is 4, think of it as 4 over 1. The negative reciprocal is negative 1 over 4. So, the perpendicular line's slope is negative 1 over 4. If the original slope is negative 3/5, flip it to 5/3 and change the sign to positive. The perpendicular slope becomes 5/3. Remember, the key rule is that the product of the slopes of two perpendicular lines is always negative 1. If you multiply the original slope by the new slope, the answer should be negative 1. This rule helps confirm you've got the right perpendicular slope. Now, what about special cases? If the original line is horizontal, its slope is 0. The line perpendicular to it is vertical, which has an undefined slope. Conversely, if the original line is vertical with an undefined slope, the perpendicular line is horizontal with a slope of 0. Knowing how to find the slope of a perpendicular line is super helpful when you're drawing graphs or solving algebra problems. If you have a point and the slope of a line, you can use the point-slope form to write the equation of the perpendicular line. Just plug in the point's coordinates and the negative reciprocal slope. So, to sum it up, calculating slopes for perpendicular lines is all about flipping the original slope into its negative reciprocal. This simple step guarantees the lines will meet at a right angle, making your graphing and problem solving much easier.